Here we divide 147 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So now we bring down the number beside this 7 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is also no any other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 147 divided by 2 we got 73.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.